So the next thing we're going to be talking about is your espresso grinders. So here we have an example of one home espresso grinder. And how it works is you got your hopper where you throw the beans into, feeds down into where the coffee is actually ground, which spits it into the dosing chamber. On the right-hand side of the dosing chamber, you have a lever to pull your coffee out of the dosing chamber. You have a rest here for your portafilter, which you'll later be pulling the coffee into the portafilter basket. And also on the right-hand side, I have the switch to turn on the espresso grinder. So one of the biggest factors that affects espresso shots is the coarseness of the grind that you're going to be using. So on a grinder like this, how you adjust the grind is this collar right here. You either turn it on like it's marked on this espresso grinder. You move the collar counterclockwise to grind the coffee finer, and clockwise to grind it coarser. So all that's happening there is with the finer the coffee is, the more resistance that it's creating for the water to pass through during the extraction process. So the finer the coffee is ground, the slower or longer the shot's going to pull, and the coarser the coffee is, then the faster the shot's going to pull, the less time it's going to take to brew the espresso shot. So if you have a smaller home grinder like this one down here, then all you're going to need to do is throw your beans in here and throw the lid on it and hit the button to start grinding your coffee. And the only way to control the coarseness of the grind in one of these grinders is by the length of time that you grind it. So you're basically just going to grind considerably longer than you would for your home drip coffee and grind the coffee considerably finer than your home drip coffee. It might be about 20 seconds.